This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Buena Park, a mostly residential neighborhood just north of Lakeview, to a tree-lined location just over a block west of Lincoln Park for a walk through one of the apartments at Group Fox's Buena Shores. I'm in apartment 2204 on the top floor of the building, looking out toward the west where you're going to have a great sunset view in the evening, if the sun were shining. Turning around for a look at the living dining area. There's a ceiling fan, hardwood oak flooring that extends throughout the unit. Heading back toward the entryway and the kitchen. A coat closet, and you have a wide enough entry for a piece of furniture. Let's pass through into the kitchen. Pantry cabinet. 4-burner gas range. Good amount of cabinet space and countertop space. Honey-colored oak cabinets. There's a dishwasher. Headed back toward the 2 bedrooms and a bath. There's a linen closet with shelving as you approach the bath. Bath has updated finishes. There's tile wainscoting. Triple mirrored medicine cabinet. Looking at the second of the 2 bedrooms. Air conditioning unit. Another closet as you head toward the 2nd bedroom. And this bedroom has windows looking out to the north over the Mansion District, looking out toward Lincoln Park and the lake. And there's another closet here. There's a fitness center and an outdoor area in the building. And a lot of on-site parking. Location that gives you great proximity to Thoric and Weiss hospitals and to the lakefront. If you're looking for a budget-priced apartment, put Buena Shores on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.